Wash the car. Water the plants. Take the rubbish out. Walk the dog. Feed the pets. Do the laundry. Load the dishwasher. Lay the table. Iron the clothes. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Make the bed. Vacuum the floor. Wash the dishes. Do the cooking. Clear the table. Empty the dishwasher. Hang up the clothes. Tidy the house. Mow the lawn. Do the shopping. Polish the furniture. Do some dye jobs. Dust all surface. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.